7. It has screen that is broken. I can see that. You can see that super LED, black LED. There's no. I don't know what happened to. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Portable.
It's 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 unbreakable. There's a battery here. I can see. If you turn it on, and there's no turn on and there's no turn off, you'll see the light. Oh my god, it's totally broken, but it's the best test I ever had. It's better than iPhone 4S actually. And you can see there's a 0.0000001 megapixel camera. I don't know, but it's great. So good luck with that set. Buy it from me. It will cost you 2 taka, I guess, from Bangladeshi money. Bye bye.